Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Riley and today we are going to be doing some DIY stickers. So when I say DIY, I seriously mean DIY. We are making stickers right from scratch. You don't need a Silhouette machine or a Cricut machine or sticker paper or even a printer. I don't have any of those things, not even a printer. And so I'm just going to be using some really basic supplies that pretty much everyone should have, I think, to make these stickers. So what you'll need is you'll need some kind of paper, any paper. I just used really basic printer paper and something to draw or color on that paper with. So I used my Crayola Super Tips and some Pigma Microns and a white gel pen, and all of those things will be linked in the description. So that's what you need for like designing and sort of drawing, laying out your stickers. What you actually need to turn them just from little drawings into stickers is some parchment paper, just basic kitchen parchment paper, and some packing tape. So for me, when I make stickers like this, which I do fairly often, I usually like to first figure out what I'm going to use them for, because I found that when I just go and make a bunch of like random little doodles and turn them into stickers, I don't actually end up using them. So for this specific batch of stickers, I decided to use these for a little pen pal letter to my sister, and that will be here on YouTube as well, so I'll link that right in the card above. So the theme that I decided to go with was kind of based off of some like art prints that I've seen on Pinterest lately, and it's sort of like a desert day and night theme. So I'll be making a variety of stickers that kind of go with that theme. I've got a desert night scene, a desert daytime scene in these sort of bigger circular stickers, but then I'll also make other things that fit with it, like some cacti and just some basic little like dot circles. I like having those kinds of things just to like sprinkle around the page as well. So just sort of a variety of stickers that all have the same color palette and sort of that same desert theme. So if you're making stickers along with me and you're not quite sure of your theme, a few that I've done in the past and that have been really fun and easy to use have been like citrus fruits. I've made a set with like limes, lemons, grapefruit, things like that. I've also done some like cacti and succulent themed stickers, which have been good, or like some ocean theme where you can draw like some waves, some flip-flops, that kind of stuff. And if you're really struggling to find like inspiration for exactly what kind of stickers you want to make, seriously just go onto Pinterest and search like aesthetic sticker packs and just copy. For your first batch, just copy, figure out what you can do. And if you do want to copy something directly, a huge tip for you is just to pull it up on your phone or your computer, depending how big it is, what you prefer to use, and then turn the brightness all the way up, put the paper right up against the screen, and you can trace it just as though you were like tracing something against a window, but you don't have to worry about printing it out or anything like that. So if you're looking for that little hack to trace some stickers that you've seen before, just do that. Pull it up on your phone, brightness all the way up, and then trace the sticker that you want to make. So without further ado, let's jump in and make a pack of desert themed stickers from scratch. Thank you so much for joining me today to make these stickers. I love, love, love how they turned out. I'm definitely going to keep a few for myself, but most of them will be going to my sister in that little pen pal letter that I talked about before. So if you're interested in seeing that video, here's a little sneak peek, some of our cactus stickers. I have already linked that, and I'll link that in the description as well if you want to watch the pen pal video. So if you found all of this helpful or if you enjoyed it, please let me know just by leaving a like and subscribe to my channel so that you can join me here for more DIY bullet journal type content.